There we go. Hopefully the audio is synced up for you, Ari. Um, Hello everybody. Welcome to Testing Podcast episode hopefully 3. We're still going to call it 2 because um the first episode has already been released. Um so first order of business, I'm going to be addressing the elephant in the room. Why haven't we been recording? Okay, funny story. Um, my dumbass deleted the audio files that I sent to Ari, and I've only sent Miggy's audio over, which is kind of cringe, bro. Kind of stinky. And the fact that I deleted the audio didn't make it any better, or at least I can't find the audio recordings. So, oh fuck, we're kind of fucked on this one. So I was like, okay, we'll just record again. And or no, I I made a really cringe ass Minecraft Let's Play, and it was it was supposed to be edited in a way that was supposed to be like ripping off Minecraft Manhunt or the Minecraft Manhunt parody by Astrocist, if you know who that is. Um, Another big controversy, Davey. Why are you recording alone right now? Well, you see, we had a conflict in schedule, so I'm currently by myself and I'm winging it until either the guys show up mid episode or until I end up going crazy and you know, commit mass murder on camera online. Well, not on camera, but in audio form. This is uh this is the schizophrenic episode of the podcast where it's just me. For now at least. So um what can I say? Okay, I was supposed to tell this story on the first episode of the podcast, which was my first experience with porn. But they cut me off and we changed the subject. So I'd like to present to you the facts, the hard Ben Shapiro level evidence. Fuck Ben Shapiro, by the way. Um, okay, so um, my dad would come home late at like 11 o'clock at night, and one day I woke up and I wake up. Oh fuck! I just repeated myself. This is cringe. This is gonna suck. This is gonna be shit for Ari to edit. Ari, throw up a picture of a dog, of any kind of dog. Just search up the word dog and the 50th image. It has to be the 50th image because I'm gonna fact check of the dog of a dog. Um, Throw it up on screen. Anyway, so when I woke up, I was sleeping on the couch, and when I got up, my dad is sitting on a chair in the middle of the living room, and the PS3 is on, and the PS3 came with an internet browser, and he was on the hub. He was on the straight up just the PH, bruh. And so I was like, "What is that? That looks epic." And I was like 11. I was too young. I was like 9. I was exposed to that stuff at a very young age. Uh, but it was lit though. It was lit. Uh, well, not really. Now I'm like booby boobs. But I remember as soon as he left for work one day, I brought the PS3 to my room and went to the hub, and I was like, "Whoa, what is this? Why it make my wee wee stiff? Why it make my wee wee rock?" And I remember doing it on the family computer a lot, and yeah, I would I would do that, and it was pretty lit. But I got caught by my babysitter. And she told my mom, and she was like, "Porn is bad for you." And I was like, "Yes, mother." And she beat me to death with her wooden cane, her wicked woman cane. All right, so um, what can I tell you that you already know about me? Fucking, I'm starting a vinyl collection. Um, and I've been doing hella stuff uh as a collector. As I've said previously, I have Jordans, so I'm trying to collect some sneakers. But with my vinyls, I have 3 records and my collection is worth around $50 to $70. And that is cuz um I have a vinyl, a gatefold vinyl of To Pimp a Butterfly by Kendrick Lamar. I have Good Kid, Mad City by Kendrick Lamar. And my third vinyl, which I ordered and will be arriving October 15th, is Machine Girls Because I'm Young, Arrogant, and Hate Everything You Stand For. Pretty lit album. I've been looking for the Wolf Girl cassettes, and those things are super rare. Uh, in a fit of desperation, I literally downloaded Reddit just to download just to hit up the 3 guys that have that cassette, and I was just like, please, I'll give you my bank statements. I'll give you I'll give you my IP address. I'll give you as much Bitcoin as you want. I just need one tape. One tape for my thing. And yeah, so my search is still ongoing. Um Let me think of a few things that I want to address about the channel. Oh, we might be getting a new channel artist. There's a person. Shout out to, let me go to Instagram. Shout out to Amarina uh underscore, because they hit us up one day. They hit me up and they were asking if they can be uh the thumbnail designer. And I think that's super cool. That's super lit, and it lightens, our load and stuff like that. So if you want to help out with the channel, you want to make art for whatever reason, please let me know. Um like right now money's super tight, so I will try to pay you back or compensate you in some way. We're also looking for another editor to lighten Ari's load, because Ari, our sweet little man, has been working his tail off, and he's our only editor. And we've tried uploading different types of content that just didn't work out. Like, again, like I said, the Minecraft playthrough. So if you're an editor, or you're a friend of mine who knows how to edit, please let me know, and we'll let you edit one episode. And if the editing is real good, you'll be part of the team, and we'll love you, and we'll give you sweet little belly rubs. Wouldn't that be freaking sweet, man? Just us rubbing your belly, us rubbing your scruff. Wouldn't that be fucking incredible, dude? Yes, it would be extremely incredible. Um, okay. Fuck. I don't have any other topic to talk about. This is gonna be a wild podcast to record. This is the first solo episode where I'm by myself, and everyone's gonna realize how much of a complete fucking jerk off I am. Um, I just opened up Instagram and saw a post. I'll send it to Ari right now. So Ari's gonna get this out of context, but it's a picture of 2 flies and they're having sex, and it just says the scientific method is complex. Um, Ari, throw it up on screen. He just sent me a photo. Hey, bro, does this smell like chloroform to you? And it's a little dog. Already throw that up on screen as well. Okay. So, I'm thinking of a story to tell you guys, but I'm not sure you guys wanna. It's bad. All right. When I was when I was a little young lad, I had nail clippers, and I I I tried it on purpose. I clipped the skin on my finger. Um, and I was like, "Whoa, it clips skin." So one day, I was like, "What happens if I do it on my balls?" And so I put that bad boy near my little fleshy balls at the age of fucking 11, and I clipped them, and immediately I just started leaking like started leaking cum and blood, and I was like, it's like, oh, oh. I started shitting, pissing, and coming. Um, and it was the most unpleasant, less lit experience I've ever felt. And yeah, I do not want to feel it again. I'm thinking, I'm thinking of uh committing murder. And I'm just kidding. Police in my area, don't take that out of context, please. Please don't kill me, please, please, boy. Please do not arrest me because I made joke about funny. Uh, please don't please don't break down my door. Okay. So Miggy is fucking oh, well, this episode is gonna be kind of unlit. I'm going to I'm going to invite Ari so he can so he can so he can come in. Hold up. Ari join podcast. No one's here but me, and I'm dying. And now we wait for for Ari to join. We wait for our boy to come in and guide us through what we need to do. All right, so fuck. I'm shitting and coming myself. Myself. Um. Um. Baby, you wild as fuck. You freaky as fuck. Heck, I love it. I just came back from a trip, um, to or from while we were going to Pismo Beach, and fucking I, bruh, bro, bro. Okay, okay. I thought I heard the audio cue from Discord that Ari joined, but he hasn't. But we were coming back from Kettleman City, and I realized that we might not have enough money in the washing machines. So, or in our carts, because we have laundry carts in our apartment complex. I'm I'm currently recording in my sister's room, which is weird because it used to be my old room. The reason I left was because I think having a tinier place is easier to manage, and it's super cool. Uh, well, not really, because I sleep in the kitchen on a bunk bed that is like in the corner, which is like pretty bunk, pretty stinky if you ask me. But I think having a smaller room uh it's just like a super compact area is cool because you can do whatever you want, or at least come up with creative ways to make your stuff fit. And that's what I did. I have a vinyl player. I have my guinea pig. I have a lot of stuff. I have my keyboard on top bunk because no one goes up there. And yeah, dude, it's pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Oh no. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. I was looking at the the thing I read about babe you wild as fuck, you freaky as fuck. Um I was looking at the insights and it said that I couldn't, or it said that I could promote it, and then I clicked it and then it was like the image quality is too low to be promoted, and I was like, why would I want to promote the picture of Epstein? Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go on Twitter and read some of the greatest tweets I can ever find. Breaking. Britain has died. Shout out Britain. I have a friend over there who's probably not going to be listening to this episode. Shout out Google Raptor. Shout out Toasty Tunes. They're both. That's fucking bad. That was foul. They're both UK artists from the UK, and they're super lit. They're super kind and super friendly. They've given me and Miggy and Testing love and support. They think the show's funny, or at least from what they've told me, they think it's funny. And that really warms my heart. That oh no, Ari's on a call with his girlfriend. Understandable. Have a good day. Understand. Oh, but Davy don't have no girl. Davy is girl. Um, you guys know I have a third nip. It's crazy. It's super small. It does nothing, just like my wiener. Um, Sitting here by myself has made me realize the isolation that is really going on in the world and how we're truly just a small dot and speck in space. I, I have made a severe lapse in my judgment. What is the whole thing? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is long. I made a severe and continuous lapse in my judgment, and I don't expect to be forgiven. I'm simply here to apologize. What we came across that day in the woods was obviously unplanned. Um, I forgot. I forgot. Um, but yes, not yesterday. Last week's episode was it was supposed to be. I'm glad we didn't air it, or at least the audio sort of messed up because we got on politics and we got to talking about Miggy's beliefs that uh people shouldn't be wishing anyone death or anything. Personally, you do you, boo. Uh, but um, you know, whatever your political beliefs are, if you stand by them, you stand by them. Someone just came in the room. My sister came in the room, guys. This was lit. This was litty. She was asking where her phone was, and it's kind of cringe. It's kind of cringe, bro. But anyway, whatever your political beliefs are, you can firmly stand by them, and we support and love you either way. Unless you're a racist or you're a predator. In that case, fuck out my cloud, bro. Um. Anyway, there was a thing Miggy said, um, and it was super funny, and it was when Trump was like, COVID's not real. COVID doesn't exist. And then he he got COVID a few weeks later. Mickey was like, what if he just came out and it was the Logan Paul apology?